Hey guys, it's Pilar Newman and I'm back at it again. Welcome to the channel. Now this video is for my fellow affiliate marketers who are interested in promoting credit repair affiliate programs. This is going to be a video that's going to share with you some of the best paying affiliate programs within this niche. But if you just so happen to come across this video and you had absolutely no idea that there was a way to make money helping people repair their credit, then watch the free training I have for you underneath this video. It's going to share with you how to start a profitable credit repair business and how to do it with the lowest minimum startup costs. It's absolutely free to watch. I'll leave the link underneath this video. So let's get started. Now, the first one on this list is Brigit. They coined themselves as a financial health app helping Americans protect their credit scores. They do this by offering budgeting tools and cash advances up to $250. They are relatively new. They did start back in 2019, but they are already backed by heavy hitter celebs including actor Ashton Kutcher, Jennifer Lopez, and basketball superstar Kevin Durant. Now, Brigit works by offering credit builder installment loans based on the applicant's Brigit score. Now, this score is determined by their bank account activity, which is connected already to the app. No formal credit check is otherwise conducted in order to receive the loan. Once the applicant is approved for a credit builder loan, the money borrowed will go into a locked savings account with the Coastal Community Bank. Each month, the loan is paid using a combination of the money from the locked account as well as the agreed upon amount to be paid by the loanee. Now, Brigit then reports the monthly payments to all three credit bureaus. When the loan is fully repaid, the applicant gets all contributions to the payments back. In order to join the Brigit affiliate program, you must download the app. There you will be able to access your affiliate link. Now, in terms of affiliate payout, you will get paid $10 per referral direct into your bank account. When your referral becomes a Brigit Plus member, your referral will also get $10. Next on the list is Credit Repair Cloud. The Credit Repair Cloud is a SaaS product used by entrepreneurs interested in building a credit repair business. So if this is an area you plan to niche down on, then this may be worth considering, both for its software and its affiliate program. The software itself helps credit repair entrepreneurs seamlessly upload client credit reports and send out dispute letters in bulk. In doing so, it helps you scale the business without the need of hiring additional admin support, or at least not as many as you would have without the software. On top of that, the software will assist with credit audits, batch printing, and keeping track of client lead signups and outreach. There are also a variety of ways to earn affiliate commissions with the Credit Repair Cloud, which makes this an appealing choice for affiliate marketers. This includes earning recurring affiliate commissions as well as making money on high ticket sales. In order to join their affiliate program, you have to join the Partner Stack affiliate network. That is where the affiliate program is being hosted on. And for affiliate payout, you'll earn 30% recurring commissions on software sales. You can also earn 100% commission on their Credit Hero Challenge. That's a $47 product. And then on their high ticket masterclass program, you'll earn a 30% one-time commission of $299 with 10 cents per sale. Next up, we have the Chime Credit Builder Card. Now, Chime is an online banking app where people can do fee-free banking as well as repair their credit with no annual fees or interest. I personally use Chime as a backup to my main TD Bank debit card. It's also my main hub for deposits of various side hustle gig apps that I use. Now, in order to access the Chime Credit Builder Visa card, one has to first become a Chime checking account holder. The good news is that it's free to open up an account. Now, once approved, simply make a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more to access the Credit Builder Card feature. The Chime Credit Builder Card works by using your own money to build credit. Simply move money from your Chime checking account to your Chime Visa card and make purchases as usual. The amount on your Chime Visa card is essentially your credit limit. Every month, Chime will use that money to pay your monthly balance on purchases made for that period. Now, these are on-time payments that are reported to all three of the major credit bureaus. Here are the details to the Chime affiliate program. Now, in order to access your affiliate link, you'll simply want to download the Chime app. There you can access your unique link. In terms of affiliate payout, you'll earn $100 per referral that completes a qualifying $200 direct deposit within the first 45 days of opening their Chime checking account. Your referral will also earn a $100 bonus. Now we have OpenSky from Capital Bank. The OpenSky secured Visa credit card is similar in some ways to the Chime Credit Builder card, but with much higher fees. Though for the right person, this card may be a good fit to building a positive credit history. Now, there is no credit check necessary in order to apply since the OpenSky card uses your money to build your credit. You choose your credit limit by making a cash deposit of between $200 to upwards of $3,000, and you use the card to make purchases as usual. OpenSky reports to all three major credit bureaus each month when your billing statement is generated. And while this all sounds great, the OpenSky card does come with some hefty fees. These include an annual fee of $35, late payment fee of $38, a foreign transaction fee of 3%, as well as plenty other fees. This is also in addition to the current 17.64% variable APR on purchases and cash advances. The OpenSky affiliate program is hosted on the CJ affiliate network, so you'll have to sign up over there. Once you do, the affiliate payout is $25 per referral. Next is Varo Believe. Now, the Varo Bank is another popular online banking option that offers various features, including a credit builder card. Now, are you starting to notice just how many of these similar companies exist? Right? There's a lot of demand for credit repair companies. Now, with Varo Bank, you have to be a checking account holder in order to apply to the Varo Believe credit builder card. In order to get started, simply complete a $500 or more qualifying direct deposit to your Varo Bank account. Once approved, transfer money from your Varo Bank account to your Varo Believe secure card. This will essentially be your credit limit. Spend as usual and turn on Safe Pay to ensure your monthly statement is paid automatically and on time. In order to make money with the Varo Believe card, you need to download the Varo Banking app. There you can go ahead and access your affiliate link. In terms of affiliate payout, you'll earn $50 per referral when they spend $20 within 30 days of opening their new Varo Bank account. Your referral will also earn $50. Now let's talk about National Debt Relief. National Debt Relief is one of the country's largest debt relief companies and has helped over 400,000 people get out of debt since 2009. The program offers a variety of services catered to the specific needs of the client. Those that would most benefit from their services include people who have large debts, including credit card debt, personal loan debt, medical bill debt, business debt, and those who are currently under collections or repossession mandates. Now, the service works by first having a free consultation call with a National Debt Relief member. From there, your debt relief options are laid out and an affordable personalized plan is presented to you. Once you approve the plan and pay the service fee, National Debt Relief states you'll get back on track to financial stability within 24 to 48 months. In order to affiliate for the National Debt Relief program, you have to be a member of the Share Sale Affiliate Network. So go ahead, sign up over there. And in terms of your affiliate payout, you'll earn $27.50 per qualified lead. Now, qualified leads must have at least $10,000 in unsecured credit card debt, live in a qualified state, and be looking for help with their debt. Additionally, you can earn by referring other affiliates to the program. You'll earn 12% of your referrals commissions each month. And now, MyFico. So MyFico may seem as a surprise website to be on this list, but there is a good reason for it to be featured. Someone who is looking to repair their credit will want to stay on top of their credit score. It might seem like common knowledge, but this simple task of knowing your credit score and where to get started on your plan of attack is oftentimes overlooked. And what better place to start this process than to sign up with a credit monitoring service such as MyFico. Now, not to mention, this website is run by the creators of the very important FICO score, so it only makes sense to make mention of this website when discussing credit repair affiliate companies. In order to join the affiliate program, you have to be a member of the Share Sale Affiliate Network, and the affiliate payout is $5 per referral sale. Now, guys, there's over $15.84 trillion of household debt right now. That means that there is a good chance that a lot of these debt holders will default on their payments, unfortunately, and consequently, many people will be looking for ways to get back on stable footing and may need credit repair help. These credit repair affiliate programs will come to the rescue in aiding them reach financial stability again, as well as earn you affiliate sales in the process. Hey, and if you're ready to start a successful credit repair business, don't forget to look underneath this video for that special free training link. Guys, please do me a quick favor, hit that that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.